Have you ever seen one of those colossal ships gliding across the ocean, a vessel so massive it looks like a floating city? I'm talking about LNG carriers, the titans of the sea that transport liquefied natural gas across the globe. But have you ever wondered what's inside? Not the crew quarters or the engine room, but the intricate network of pipes that acts as the ship's circulatory system. Today, we're diving deep into the veins of this steel giant to explore the incredible world of an LNG carrier's cargo piping system. It's a story of extreme temperatures, clever engineering, and safety features that are nothing short of brilliance. So what are we dealing with here? Imagine trying to transport something so cold it makes dry ice look like a balmy summer day. We're talking about liquefied natural gas, or LNG, kept at a mind-boggling minus 163 degrees Celsius. That's colder than the coldest temperature ever recorded in Antarctica. To handle something this frosty, you need some seriously special plumbing. This is where the cargo piping system comes in. It's a complex network that moves the LNG from the shore to the ship's tanks and back again. Think of it like the arteries and veins of the ship, but instead of blood, it's pumping a super chilled liquid. There are two main parts to this system, the liquid header line and the vapor header line. The liquid header line is the main artery, the big pipeline running along the deck connecting all the cargo tanks. During loading, it fills the tanks, and when unloading, powerful pumps push the LNG back through this same pipe. It's a superhighway for liquid gas. Then there's the vapor header line. Even at minus 163 degrees, a little bit of the LNG is always turning back into gas. This is called boil off. The vapor header line handles this gas, collecting it from the tanks. It can then be used as fuel for the ship's engines or sent back to the shore during loading. It's a clever way to ensure nothing is wasted. But what are these pipes made of? You can't just use any old steel. At these cryogenic temperatures, normal steel would become as brittle as glass and could shatter with the slightest vibration. That's why the pipes on an LNG carrier are made from a special type of low-carbon austenitic stainless steel. This material stays strong and flexible even when it's incredibly cold. To prevent leaks, the pipes are welded together wherever possible. Fewer joints mean fewer places for that super cold liquid to escape. Now let's talk about one of the biggest challenges, thermal expansion and contraction. Think about how a metal bridge expands in the heat of summer. The same thing happens with these pipes, but in reverse. When they're filled with LNG, they shrink. When they warm up, they expand. This movement could put a huge amount of stress on the pipes, causing them to buckle or break. So how do engineers solve this? With something called expansion loops. If you look at the piping on a LNG carrier, you'll see these big loopy bends in the pipes. These loops act like a spring, allowing the pipe to expand and contract without putting stress on the rest of the system. It's a simple but incredibly effective solution. And what about safety? When you're dealing with a flammable substance at such extreme temperatures, safety is everything. The cargo piping system is packed with safety features. For example, any section of pipe that can be isolated between two valves has a safety relief valve. If any liquid gets trapped in that section, it will warm up and expand, creating a huge amount of pressure. The safety valve will then open automatically, releasing the pressure and preventing the pipe from bursting. It's a fail-safe. That's absolutely critical. So the next time you see an LNG carrier, take a closer look at that intricate web of pipes on its deck. It's not just a random collection of steel, it's a marvel of engineering. A system designed to handle some of the most extreme temperatures on Earth, to expand and contract with its cryogenic cargo, and to do it all with a level of safety that is truly remarkable. The cargo piping system is the unsung hero of the LNG industry, the vital network that keeps the energy flowing around the world. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the heart of an LNG carrier. Until next time, stay curious.